Yeah, boy. I'm so sorry. My southern accent is getting to me, boys. If you hear me coughing and hacking away, don't worry about me. You know, my ancestors would get it. If you know what I mean, boys. So, if you find me in the hood, don't be worrying about me. Hold on 1 minute, boys. Don't cut the video. Alright, yeah. That pollen gets me. That's how them devils get out my lungs, boys. Yeah. Oh Lord, that feels good. I feel good, boys.
Sir, how much pollen is down there in South Kakalaka?
A lot. My head says that.
He's floating. That was too funny. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please watch the video that said, please watch this video. I'm doing a competition with Yellow VR. We need to beat him in subs. He's in the call right now.
No, you guys don't.
Yes,
Subscribe to me and subscribe to me.
Subscribe
and like
to both
the
of us.
video,
Subscribe.
please.
Like and subscribe to both of us. It'd mean a lot.
They're very good.
Alright guys.